A single droplet of condensate is enough to instantly paralyze your production. Up until now, conventional roof-mounted cooling units have had massive problems with condensate. That is now over. 판넨베그 has solved the problem with an innovative condensate management system. The absolute world premiere roof-mounted cooling units from the DTT series. The DTT series offers four-fold protection against condensate for your electronic enclosure. 1. No penetration of condensate into the electronic enclosure. 2. No droplet vortex in the air current. 3. No formation of condensate in the electronic enclosure underneath the cooling unit. 4. No condensate-prone air hoses. The DTT concept has turned the previous cooling technology around. The cold internal cooling circuit is located above the warm external cooling circuit. This means that no condensate can form on the ceiling of the electronic enclosure. The air guidance and evaporator of the DTT series are 100% separated from one another. Droplet vortices in the air current are ruled out. The DTT concept does not utilize cooling hoses, but rather works with high-performance fans. Even the remotest corner of the electronic enclosure is cooled effectively due to the high flow rate of the air. The DTT series is extraordinarily service-friendly. 1. Long service intervals. 2. Perfect accessibility. 3. Quick mount frame. The wide condenser lamella spacing of 3 mm significantly prolongs service intervals and makes a pre-filter unnecessary in many cases. If a filter is used, it can be exchanged in a matter of seconds without tools. Service hatch at the front of the unit. The hood of the cooling unit can be pulled off towards the front at any time and without tools. Screwless locking by means of the quick change frame enables the cooling unit to be mounted or dismounted quickly, again, even when the unit is running. Available in various sizes, performance levels, and surface finishes. 판넨베그 has once again revolutionized cooling unit technology with the DTT series. Set off into a new safety dimension with 판넨베그.